I was walking down the street when at the corner of my eye saw this pretty young thing approaching me. Said, I've never seen a man who looks so all alone. Could you use a little company? If you pay the right price, your evening will be nice. You can go and send me on my way. I said, just weird thing, why you do this to yourself? She looked at me, and this is what she said. Now there ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay, got mouths to feed. Ain't nothing in this world for free. I can't slow down, can't hold back, though, you know, I wish I could. But there ain't no rest for the wicked till we close our eyes for good. I'm still walking down the street when I saw the shadow of a man creep out of sight. When he swept up from behind, he put the gun into my head. He said he clearly wasn't looking for a fight. He said, give me what you got, I want your money, not your life. But try to make a move, I won't think twice. I told him, you can have my cash. First, you know I gotta ask, what made you wanna live this kind of life? He said, there ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. Got bills to pay, got mouths to feed. Ain't nothing in this world for free. You know I can't slow down, I can't hold back, though, you know, I wish I could. But there ain't no rest for the wicked till we close our eyes for good. Now many hours passed, I was laying on my couch. The day was winding down and coming to an end. So I turned on the TV, flipped it over to the news, and what I saw I almost couldn't comprehend. There was this preacher man in cuffs, he taking money from the church. He stuffed his bank account with righteous dollar bills. But even still I can't say much, cause I know we're all the same. And yes, we all seek out to satisfy those